20th of December, Tuesday, at our Tuesday Expat Lunch 2020. A little bit of fun and frolic. Some dessert bar. Just wants to tell everybody Merry Christmas from Ecuador. And we had our normal plus 30 attendees today. Hugh Prather, Euro Wine, EuroRoseGuy.com. he also does wine, like Mogan David. Drink no wine before it's time. I'm a Mad Dog guy myself. He has some really good product out of Portugal, and I'll put the link down below. So I've got Hugh from Cuenca, yeah, Bill Glover from Cuenca. After 5 years and 7 years, these people, and Scott from the coast. These people moving up here to Cumbaya, giving us yes, come on. Hello. Hello. There he is. There he is.
Me and Billy.
Where's Laney?
Cruising.